Welcome to this video on the role of a systems administrator. In today's digital age, businesses and organizations rely heavily on technology to function efficiently. And this is where the role of a systems administrator comes in. A systems administrator is a professional who is responsible for the upkeep, configuration, and reliable operation of computer systems, servers, and networks. They play a crucial role in ensuring that the organization's IT infrastructure is functioning smoothly and securely. In this video, we will take a closer look at the responsibilities of a systems administrator, the skills required to excel in this role, and the importance of this profession in today's business world. So, let's dive in and explore the world of a systems administrator. The responsibilities of a systems administrator can vary depending on the organization size, industry, and specific needs. However, some of the common responsibilities of a systems administrator include: 1. Installing and configuring hardware and software. A systems administrator is responsible for installing and configuring hardware and software, including servers, operating systems, and applications. 2. Maintaining system security. A systems administrator must ensure that the organization's IT infrastructure is secure from external and internal threats. This includes implementing security measures such as firewalls, antivirus software, and intrusion detection systems. 3. Monitoring system performance. A systems administrator must monitor the performance of the organization's IT infrastructure to ensure that it is functioning efficiently. This includes monitoring server and network performance, identifying and resolving issues, and optimizing system performance. 4. Backing up data. A systems administrator must ensure that the organization's data is backed up regularly to prevent data loss in case of a system failure or disaster. 5. Providing technical support. A systems administrator must provide technical support to end users, including troubleshooting issues, providing guidance, and resolving technical problems. These are just a few of the many responsibilities of a systems administrator. It is a challenging role that requires a wide range of technical skills and expertise. To excel as a systems administrator, one must possess a diverse set of technical and non-technical skills. Some of the essential skills required to succeed in this role include: 1. Technical expertise. A systems administrator must have a strong technical background and expertise in areas such as server administration, network administration, and security. 2. Problem-solving skills. A systems administrator must be able to identify and troubleshoot technical issues quickly and effectively. 3. Communication skills. The systems administrator must be able to communicate technical information to non-technical stakeholders clearly. 4. Attention to detail. The systems administrator must have a keen eye for detail and be able to identify potential issues before they become problems. 5. Time management skills. A systems administrator must be able to manage their time effectively and prioritize tasks based on their importance and urgency. 6. Adaptability. A systems administrator must be able to adapt to changing technologies and environments and be willing to learn new skills. 7. Teamwork. A systems administrator must be able to work collaboratively with other IT professionals and stakeholders to achieve common goals. These are just a few of the many skills required to excel as a systems administrator. It is a challenging role that requires a combination of technical expertise and soft skills. The role of a systems administrator is critical to the success of any organization that relies on technology to function. Here are some of the reasons why a systems administrator is essential. 1. Ensuring system reliability. A systems administrator is responsible for ensuring that the organization's IT infrastructure is functioning reliably and efficiently. This includes ensuring that servers and networks are up and running and applications are functioning correctly. 2. Protecting against security threats. A systems administrator is responsible for implementing security measures to protect the organization's IT infrastructure from external and internal threats. 3. Preventing data loss. The systems administrator is responsible for backing up data regularly to prevent data loss in case of a system failure or disaster. 4. Improving system performance. A systems administrator is responsible for monitoring system performance and identifying and resolving issues to optimize system performance. 5. Providing technical support. A systems administrator is responsible for providing technical support to end users, ensuring that they can use the organization's IT infrastructure effectively. In summary, a systems administrator plays a crucial role in ensuring that an organization's IT infrastructure is functioning reliably, securely, and efficiently. Without a systems administrator, an organization's IT infrastructure would be vulnerable to security threats, data loss, and system failures, which could have severe consequences for the organization's operations and reputation. In conclusion, the role of a systems administrator is critical to the success of any organization that relies on technology to function. A systems administrator is responsible for ensuring that the organization's IT infrastructure is functioning reliably, securely, and efficiently. They must possess a diverse set of technical and non-technical skills, including technical expertise, problem-solving skills, communication skills, attention to detail, time management skills, adaptability, and teamwork. The importance of a systems administrator cannot be overstated. They play a crucial role in protecting an organization's IT infrastructure from security threats, preventing data loss, improving system performance, and providing technical support to end users. Without a systems administrator, an organization's IT infrastructure would be vulnerable to security threats, data loss, and system failures, which could have severe consequences for the organization's operations and reputation. We hope that this video has provided you with a better understanding of the role of a systems administrator and the importance of this profession in today's business world. Thank you for watching.